Up for sale, 1989 Chevy Blazer. I'm gonna walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 89 Blazer, finished in blue, with blue interior, 350, steering, power brakes, AC, 4x4, obviously, and it's lifted as well. And as always, go around it, tell everything I do know about it, put anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. So of course, we will start here in the front as always. And I might as well start with the bumper. It's almost, eye level. And I just went inside to grab my apple, and a little bit of drizzle came down. So we'll just, I do have this little napkin in my pocket. So you see a little bit of haze here just on the top of the bumper, from the sun. But the front actually looks, very nice. It's got the cool Chevy plate on there. It's got the little chin strap down there. Now we're really talking almost eye level. The grille looks nice. Got a little bit of flakes on the silver, but again, nice. It's an all original metal truck as well, which is just a bonus. And from what you can see, the hood lines up nice, and it sits very flush. Sometimes these hood gets bent out of whack because of the hinges, but this one sits nice. And you see just here the fender while I'm standing here before I go open the hood. And it's a stock hood as well, no cowl hood, nothing like that. It's a driver quality blue paint. Pop the hood here. Take a bite of my apple. Oh, sorry. Throw it up. Start with the underhood. Nice blue. It's obviously a blue truck to begin with. Your firewall is blue, unmolested. Factory AC, which again, AC power windows were for Silverado. This is a Scottsdale, I'm pretty sure. So would have been no power windows, but it was ordered with AC. You got the 350 in there. And a nice, very correct looking, you still got the air cleaner with the snorkel on there. You got your jack over there. Looks like a new alternator. Stock exhaust manifolds. Firewall looks nice and clean. I'm actually going to zoom out real quick. Get a little more visibility. There we go. Smooth as silk. Really just super smooth. Fires right up. So yeah. Zoom back in here. You see this fitment here is nice all the way down. The little chip there on the door. But let me wipe this little area off, give you an idea when I say, kind of a driver quality. You see, I want to refocus my camera. Give me a second. There we go. Actually, let me wipe just a little bit more off here. Give you a little better idea of what the paint actually looks like. I do believe like a wet sanded buff would do wonders for it. Bring a little more shine, a little more smoothness to it. You see a couple, I did little marks there on it. You see a little bubble right in the corner of the door. But this fitment looks nice here. This lines up pretty well. You got the step rail. You got giant tires on there. I didn't even talk about that yet. Those rims look brand new. Exhaust. New leaf springs in there as well. It is, I gotta remember what type of lift it is. I know there's spring lifted, and then there's another one. I'm gonna have that in the ad. But I know there's a couple little bubbles in here. But again, original metal still. That hem looks good. The other side's even nicer than that. And then little dent there. Paint looks nice here. You're gonna see the rest of the interior, which all looks really, really nice. But this door panel has a little bit of peeling on it, which I know this piece is relatively inexpensive. You could just, buy a new one if you'd like. No cracks in the glass. Now when you look over there, that one looks fantastic. All the seats are redone, so there's no holes, there's no rips, stuff like that. And then the back seat, again, like brand new. Inside of the cab that you see there with the little light back there, that light works. Paint looks nice there. The carpet's been replaced as well. It's bucket seats and console. This is also cracked, so again, inexpensive piece. You could just replace it. So me being a person of my own, I would do that, and I'd be happy. Dash and the gauges all look super nice. Sony radio in there. No cracks on the dash either. Paint on the glove box and all that looks nice. Switch for the rear window. I know it works from the key operated, from the back. I haven't tested this one though. Which one's down? I don't know. That works. It's pretty cool. 4x4 works. Again, new carpet. I always love the console in these. I'm a big fan of these late. Looks like an original sticker. Big fan of these late 80s Suburbans. Never had a Blazer before, but along the same lines. Sometimes this door requires a little bit extra force to get it to shut properly. But right here you see a couple little bubbles. And I know there's just a couple more right in that corner. A couple little marks there. But then let's focus on this here. Another little mark. Back bumper. I'm just gonna wipe this off again real quick. Nicer than the front bumper for sure. A little, you see that, a little less of the no smoke on the front, but a little bit of that kind of marking on the back. Tow hitch. And then this back section here is really nice as well. And then here you see this, probably the original panel here. I know it shows 70 something miles. It's probably original. Not sure. See there? This looks nice. No rust in there. You got a rubber mat. And then I got a big weather stripping kit for it. That's included. I just throw it along. Then from what you can see here. And then you lift up. Shutter. You put the key in. And you go up. Pretty cool. You just go ahead and just quickly wipe that off. No bubbling here. No bubbling on the lower door. I just noticed that. That fitment is nice. This is what I was talking about here. This side's a lot nicer than the other. Even that lower door is. Door panel again and all the way up too, that you see. But it will be for sale later today on my website. NextGenClassicCars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. This tag is here, and so is this tag. Don't know what that is. But yeah. Thank you for watching. And we are going to fire it up now. Very soon. See, easier to close that side. Nice fitment there. No bubbles down there. And here we go. Okay. Climbing on in. Now you said this had what kind of lift?
Spring lift.
Spring lift.
Yeah, no body lift in this one.
No body lift, that's what it was.
Yeah, it's the expensive one.
Okay.
Yeah. And dude, the turning radius on this thing, holy crap. You could like turn around in the middle of the road, dude.
Really?
Yeah, this is awesome, man. I feel like kind of almost like
Let's
I'm
keep
driving like a
going.
monster truck or something.
Yeah.
Like everybody else is driving around like micro machines or something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we lost our water over the weekend.
Your water?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, mainline, right?
that's not good.
No. They got it up and going last night, though.
I went back to the secret lake.
Yeah.
Still didn't catch any pike. Caught 5 more bass though.
At least catching stuff.
Yeah, the biggest was a 3.6 pound.
Oh man.
I'm gonna catch my biggest bass out of there if I keep going there. But I just want to catch pike. Oh wow, those ladies were nice looking. Oh, hello. I'm gonna go apply for a job there.
Yeah, the geese, we didn't want to get out of the way.
I was laughing.
Yeah. I got like the biggest thing on the road, and I'm like, eh.
They just keep running that way.
Yeah.